Hi, I'm Michael Humbrick with LifeSize, and I wanted to share with you our LifeSize Dash solution. This is a software-based room kit that we've designed as a very easy-to-use, low-cost solution for small huddle spaces or places where customers are constrained in their budget, but they want a consistent meeting experience that's for users very much the same experience as using our LifeSize Icon line of hardware appliances that deliver a higher performance and higher quality experience, but this is a far more affordable way to get started and to expand. What this takes advantage of is we can run it on a Chromebox. This is a Google Chromebox we develop within Chrome, the Chromium architecture in WebRTC. It's at our core. So it lets us run on a very inexpensive Chromebox PC effectively. This is about a $300 device. It allows us to do HD video and HD content sharing through our service, but at an incredibly affordable price point, far less expensive than running the same thing on a Mac Mini or a PC, and frankly, far more secure and reliable because it can be locked down to just do this. There are no virus scans, there are no big OS updates. We can dedicate it just to this purpose. We package that through our partners with technology partners like Aver and Hudley and Logitech and Yamaha and Conftel for cameras and microphone speakerphones, as well as iPad and Android tablets for control. So these elements are combined with our software to create a solution that's paired to our service and provides a room-based calling experience and content experience in HD that customers can deploy for under €1,000. It's very much the same experience as in our appliance-based room line, the Icon series. You have shared directories that are synchronized from the cloud service of people, of meetings, of devices. You have touch-based dialing, very simply. I can share my screen if I wish wirelessly, just by simply going to a URL and putting in a PIN code. And I can do almost everything I can do with one of our appliance systems, but just much more affordably. It's a great acquisition cost. And then our Icon line comes in above this to deliver higher performance and quality, longer managed life cycles, and a more reliable, reliable long life cycle product. Together they make a great solution that allows us to extend customers' environments into the smallest, most budget-constrained rooms. So that's LifeSize Dash. If you'd like to learn more, please come to lifesize.com.